one more note is that the previous experience, everything was in super fast mode. Like there are these beings and they're like everything was super fast. And then the second one that I just did, it was like it was slower and they were at like normal speed. And they don't really like what are these creatures? Well, they don't really look like much. They're just kind of like the outline of a person. Like they don't even really have much like facial features really. I mean they it's like I never really see them clearly enough. But like they're made out of like what I've been saying so far. Of course I've had experiences where it's not like that. But most of what I've been experiencing lately, everything is made out of like these patterns, and it's like they're like these or like these patterns, like something you'd see on a wall, like a wall design, and it's just like everything's that 2D pattern creates the three-dimensional, as if my face was just like this wall pattern, and so it's kind of hard to really see much facial features, but it's just like very bland, basic outline of a human body is what I'm seeing. So, maybe if I experience it longer, they would shift into something else. But the way that I'm seeing it is they're just human shaped, just people. Um, Sometimes male, sometimes female, and there's usually like two or three or so.